Hi there, welcome to SLR.tv with myself, Stevo, and today we're actually going to follow up our Vans at the Show video and also a transit van video with vans and trucks. So this is a selection of the vans and the trucks and some of the commercial vehicles that we've seen over the years at the shows here at the NEC. I hope you enjoy it. We've got anything from the Trotter to a Mercedes pickup to some old vintage stuff from pre-1960 and some Morris commercials as well. So join me with a coffee and let's spend the next 5 minutes or so and we'll look at trucks and vans from yesteryear. Right, I tell you what I want you to do here. I want you to guess what it is. That is a Mercedes. Oh, and hitching a lift on the back, that is a Ferrari. Didn't think you'd see that at Autosport 2020, did you?
Yep, Stevo, it's one of our favourite vans from the 2020 Autosport show. This is the Mercedes X-Class, and if you look, I think that's a wee price ticket of 51k in the window. The deranged guys have got their hands on it, and what a super job they made. Check out those 20-inch satin black wheels with the 275, 55, 20 BF Goodrich tyres. Absolutely stunning. And back to Autosport 2007 now, the Trotters Independent Trading 1972 Reliant Regal. It's one of the most recognisable vans in TV history, used by the guys from Only Fools and Horses. This is an FG Morris commercial, later to become Reliant. It's a 2178cc diesel, currently owned by Len Wicks, however originally owned by Ted Williams and used as a builder's truck from 1972 until Ted's retirement in 2004. And now here's a head turner, the Transit Connect in white this time from MSRT. And this is very interesting. Once again, it's from Morris. So let's have a look around this, and I actually think it's a travelling home. And Stevo, just beyond the door there, that black line is an indicator repeater, and you'll see the one on the driver's side when we go round the other side of the van as well. And just as we go round, there's a nice example of a Morris 1000 pickup. Fantastic, I tell you, if you could only see the paintwork here as well, absolutely super. So there's those indicator repeaters again, just before we come to the driver's door. Alright then, moving along now, this is a British Railways Austin 101 type JB van, first reg on 27th of January 1960, and it was used with the Eastern Electricity Boards. It has a 1489cc engine and a 4-speed gearbox. These are 4 Morris commercial vans, all slight variations, and when we get to the end one, you'll see that it's actually kitted out with some bench seating. And here's the Ford pickup with the lowered suspension. You don't want to go near any speed bumps with that one. Anyway, an old favourite of mine, the Bedford here. And here's something I was thinking about doing, some military vehicles. Let me know if there's any interest in that. This pickup's very interesting. I do really like that. Followed by the Royal Mail delivery van. Now on to some really vintage vans here, and the lengths that the owners go to demonstrate the authenticity. Here's magazines, fruit van, and also there's a baker's van in there as well. Big pat on the back to you guys for the detail. Thank you. Okay, and more recently there's Max's Babes. I've seen them on Twitter and Instagram, and now the Bedford ice cream van. Yes, it's the Bedford CA from registration in 1962, and we saw this van at Autosport 2020. And drum roll please, we're now moving on to the Daimler and Lanchester Owners Club with a fine example of a vintage van. Could I just thank you for staying with us this far, and we're just about to sail into the sunset shortly. Could I just remind you, if you haven't already, please subscribe to SLR.tv, and remember to check out those videos that Stevo mentioned, the Ford Transit and also our vans at the show. Oh, I did like that Austin 7 Baker's van back there. That produce was making me feel hungry. Anyway, if you want to pass this video or any others on to your mates on social media, there's a link below for you. And finally, till the good ship SLR TV sails again, look forward to seeing you then. See ya!